Hi everyone, I am Habiba Nowroz. I am a photographer based in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and I am here to connect with you guys with my work. I started my series Consult in 2014, and for this series, I actually used a lot of traditional fabric. Background plays a very important role in my photographs. The backgrounds are usually fabric, traditional fabric that we find in our local market. These fabrics are very colorful, very vibrant, and they have really crazy, fun patterns. For my portrait series, I usually use one really big background or usually a small one that actually covers the whole figure like this, and then I use two different lightings. You can see this background here. This is actually a bed sheet that I have used for the later part of my work. I usually use two different studio lights. One light is coming from this direction and the other one is coming from this direction. But in the beginning, I didn't have studio lights. I had only one flash and I was also using window light. Imagine that you have one window on your right side and another artificial light source. It can be tube light or any other different type of light coming from this side. So if your subject is here where I am standing, these two lighting will create a kind of flat lighting. Just to give you guys an idea, I'm showing you my current lighting setup. As you can see, I have a background, I have a table, and I have two different light sources from two sides. So if you're making portraits of your loved ones or you're making portrait of yourself, you can try this lighting. During the first week of the lockdown, I was frantically following the news. I came across an interview of an Indian economist. She predicted that in the coming days there is going to be riot for food. Only after a few days later, I saw a video was being shared in my Facebook. It was a video of people looting the relief truck in Jokiganj. I never thought I would actually have to worry about food someday. This is something that I have taken for granted. But after seeing that video, something in me changed. I don't think I will look at food the way I used to do before this lockdown. So I started taking pictures of food leftovers and tried to document how I look at them. They will always be part of my memory of this pandemic situation. Window light is the best kind of light. You can easily use that as your key light, as the most important light of your photograph. And if your subject is really small, like food or something else, you can easily use a very small space and use the window light as the source. Just keep in mind that your subject should be properly lit. And for the background, you can use old scarves, you can use orna or any other leftover fabric that you have available in your home. So this is my studio and I have this window in my studio, and I will show you how can I use the space in the bed and use the window light to take the pictures. As you can see that I'm using the background, and this is a fish kill and the window light is properly lighting the subject. I can easily take pictures of this with a mobile phone or with this camera. For the purpose of the video, I'm just showing you how to do the lighting. So this is how to use the window light. As you can see, this is lighting the subject really nicely. You can just move around the subject and see which composition works and take a picture. Also, be very mindful about the background that you're using. I am fascinated by the colors and really messy patterns, but this can also feel very overwhelming for some people. So you can use minimal prints, very simplistic designs, or you can use something like really busy and really crazy colorful like this. The most important thing is having fun and enjoying the process and enjoying the colors that you're playing with. In this time of lockdown, I am inviting all of you to create images using the backgrounds that are available in your home. It can be images of your loved ones who are you spending your lockdown with. It can be images of yourself. It can be images of the food that you take every day or the leftovers. It can be things and objects that are keeping you company during this lockdown and that are close to your heart. So go and find the interesting fabric that are available in your home and you haven't really used them for a while, and use them as a background in order to create the images that are meaningful to you. Let's share those images and try to make sense of the experience that we are going through together.